Where are we going, Brown?
We're going to pick up our new project.
Are we going to tell them what the project is?
I don't think we should.
I don't think so either.
I think it should just be a surprise.
Kind of excited. But I do have a surprise for y'all during the unveiling of said project. So this is going to be our main project for the channel to start off. It's going to be stupid, wicked, shouldn't be done, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some people in the feels. What do you think?
Oh, a lot of people are going to hate us for this one.
It's going to be fun.
A lot of people are going to hate us for this
Don't
one.
hate us because you ain't us.
Hang on, what are we doing, Brian?
I'm going to pick up our new project.
Okay, so we're at a buddy's shop. We got a phone call. He's been a car here for a long time. We got offered a really good deal on it. So we're going ahead and take it. It's under a cover. If you stay and hang around for the video, you will know what it is. But for right now, you ain't gonna know nothing. So, motor's coming out, and we're gonna build something. The question is, what are we gonna build? And that's all you're gonna see. So as you can see, it is a convertible. We are Honda guys. Could be an S2000. Could be.
Could be.
Right now, this is called Project Rain-X. So we're gonna go load this thing up, get it on the trailer, get back to the shop, and then we will reveal the car and talk about what this project's gonna entail. And we're gonna stir some shits up.
Yo, I'm excited.
He's ready for his hair to go waving in the wind. Look at it, it's already volume nice today.
I know.
It's all fluffy.
Good. I know, it's pretty.
It's fluffy. So, all right, stay tuned in this video, and hopefully you're as excited as I am. If you're getting your feels about this project, I'm sorry, but I'm not.
Got to get this one loaded up on the trailer and back to the shop.
Yep, so stay tuned. Let us know your thoughts in the comments when we reveal it.
All right, Kevin, why in the hell are you dressed like that?
Because we bought a car, and this is how you have to dress when you have this kind of car.
Well, I'll give it to you. That's the perfect attire for it.
So,
all right, guys, so we got a new project here, and we want to show you guys what it is. We hope you follow along with this project.
it's going to be fun
Real fun.
and sketchy
And fast.
and dangerous.
And unique.
So hit that like and subscribe after you see what it is. Finish the video, and we'll tell you exactly what we're going to do with it.
What are we doing, Brown?
Fixing this piece of shit.
What are we doing to fix it?
Just zip tying shit. You're gonna have to
So the radiator lower support, I guess, was broken. The bracket's right there, you know. So we got big semi-truck heavy duty zip ties, and they are officially what's holding this radiator together. So as you can see on the project with the vet, bumper's fixed. It was about way up here. Then it was folded down. As you can see, we fixed it in the video.
Hey, it's getting them.
Yeah.
Prescott's Body Shop. Open one day every 4 years.
And then, of course, being a vet, it's too quiet. So, what else we got?
Got it! Alright, let's go for a ride.
Let's go for a ride.
Gotta have your seatbelt.
Look, it's a little Honda. You think it'll run us?
Let's find out. It's an old guy!
It's an old guy. Look, he's got a golf club.
We really got drugged by a freaking Del Sol.
We really just got
By an
drugged
old
by a Del
guy.
Sol. An old guy in a Del Sol.
Let's see if we get another run.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
One more!
Holy shit, Kevin.
We gotta fix that.
Yeah, we gotta fix that
The car
ASAP.
even smokes like hell. Well, that's a piece of crap.
Well, yeah, we just got smoked.
I thought our lessons were supposed to be quick.
I think we're gonna have to go back to the old roots.
So, after some consideration, as you've seen in this, we got gapped by a Honda Del Sol by an old guy
By an old guy.
that evidently just got done playing golf because there was golf clubs definitely in that guy's passenger seat. And I tried to rerun him and he was faster on the second run. Oh, get it.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we're gonna have to take care of that.
So, we figured out which way this project's gonna go. And sadly enough, probably gonna hurt some feelings. Don't really care. LS is legal. So, if it's not sold by then, if you've seen this video, you wanna comment below, give you the information. The LS2 is for sale, if not sold soon. So, car has 100,000 miles on it, 100,500 to be exact. That's coming out. So we figured out the leeway on this project. Should we tell them or show them?
Let's just show them.
All right. So we have a motor lying around that we haven't really known what to do with, that it was built not too long ago. And I think we're gonna figure out how to put it inside the vet.
You
Let's
ready?
show it.
You ready?
Yeah. So we got beat by a Honda. Can't beat them, join them.
Join them.
This is a K24, Outlaw pistons, Turbo Tough rods, 625 rod bolts, whole shebang today. So we're gonna put this with a Chevrolet transmission, which we have the bell housing conversion plate already that's been sitting, thankfully. And so we're gonna put this inside the vet.
So half the cylinders, half the weight.
Half the weight.
I mean, we're gonna lose a little bit on the torque end, but when you got a big turbo like this guy right here, we'll make up for it on the top end. You know, who knows? Maybe this car could take us to World Cup finals.
Yeah.
Go out there and compete with the best of them.
And it's just a shits and giggle car.
I mean, if y'all have never heard of Eric Jarvis, same setup, billet block though. He's running like low sevens with one of these in an S2000 with a power glide transmission and a 488 rear end.
Yep. I think we can make it fast.
I think we can make it more than fast.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can see with the vet, this is going to be a pretty interesting project. Probably going to ruffle a lot of feathers, which is what we're going for. Yet again, we are Honda guys. We like Honda engines. K2 is just a great platform. So hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. That way you can see any video that comes up here in the future. We also have another project coming up, 2016 GMC Denali. It's getting a full build, everything. It's probably going to end up being faster than the vet, sadly enough.
Kevin, you did a good job.
I did it!
You did a good
Look what I
job
can do!
talking on
Look what I can do!
So we've decided to call the vet Project Vendetta, which if you watch the next video, we will explain why we came up with that name and why it's sticking to the car.
All right,
I fit
Kevin.
this perfectly.
Yep, I think you did too.
Just
Let's
got my
reveal
tube
this-
socks, my white shoes, my khaki shorts.
Alright, get off the car and let's show these guys.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next video.